Hey guys, this is Norris at Norgate Home Improvement. Today I'm going to show you one of the projects that I have been working on. So far, you know my tile, the Calcutta, and we pick a nice Bianca Carrera countertop, custom, with a nice vanity, something very modern, nice lighting and stuff. Yeah, so we did a nice shower. So basically, before it was a tub, we raised the ceiling. It was a little bit lower. We put a pot light in. We put in some accessories. We put in some nice baseboard. Some 7 inches. Yes, we pick a nice gray color for the wall, and we can't complain. It's looking very beautiful. We use some nice 2x2 on the floor, so it is a beautiful washroom. Only thing we have left to put in here is tomorrow the glass will be coming, custom glass. So yeah, stay tuned, man. Just subscribe and see what's coming up. Okay, all right guys, bye.